to the demo video of Royo Foods. Royo Foods is an on-demand catering and food delivery system. Here is a quick walkthrough of the Royo Foods. Let's begin with the customer app. So this is the customer app of Royo Foods. This is the home screen. Here you can see the offers, the categories, nearby restaurants, popular restaurants in your nearby location. So to place any order, the customer will need to sign up with the app. Here I am signing up as a guest user, so I need to sign up. And this is the login screen. As I have not signed up yet, so I can't log in. Moving to the sign up screen, this is the sign up screen. I need to enter the basic details like email and password. When you will click upon the sign up button, it will take you to the screen where you need to enter the number. An OTP will be sent to the number that you have just entered. You need to enter this number to finish the sign up process. Just click on the submit button. And from here you can add the profile picture and full name. For example, I am entering the name as Sheena and just skipping up the profile picture. Here is the home screen again. Now I am signed up as a Sheena. Here you can see the name. This is the customer dashboard. So I want to order the burger only, so I'm gonna search for this is the search bar, so I'm gonna search for my product. This tab shows the advanced filters, so when I will click upon this search bar, it will take you to the search screen. So just type here burger and click upon this. So the screen shows all the items relevant to the search. Here is a quick detail about the item, the name of the item, the restaurant which is providing this item, the total amount to be paid, and the reviews and ratings of this item. So I can also further narrow down my search results if I want to. Just click upon this filter button. It will take you to the further filtration process. Here I can sort my items according to the price, according to the popularity. I can select the price range as well. I can also view the discounted products only if I want to view the discounted products. And from here I can select my category again and the item I am looking for when you click upon the done button. So this is my search criteria. I am done adding the filters. Just click upon this done button. So this is the filtered search results. Now I can directly add any item from the cart. Just click upon this button and here you can see the item. There is one item in my cart, the total of this item, and the restaurant name from where I have added the item. Just click upon this proceed button, and from here you can see cart summary, the items you have ordered. I can delete the item if I want to from this button. This is the price details, total delivery charges, handling charges, and from here I can also apply the voucher code if account is available. Otherwise just click upon this proceed to next button. When I will click upon this button, it will ask you to add the delivery address. This is the address where you want to deliver your order. Just click upon this add new button and your form will open up. You need to enter the details like name as Sheena, plot number, building name, select this location as I want to order at the current location, so it will select it will automatically detect my current location. Just select this landmarks TCL. So as I have done all the details, just click upon the save button and address will be saved automatically here, and I can just select this address and place my order. Just click on this continue button and you will be directed to this order summary page. Here you can see order to, details, address, items in the cart and total charges. I can also add the note if you want to add for the restaurants or the delivery agents. Please add tissues. So just click upon the place order button and here you can see the payment screen. Multiple payment options can be integrated with the app depending upon the location and requirement. Just select this option and click upon the finish button. So here you can see the order has been placed successfully, and this is the screen where you can see the complete details of the order. Moving to the admin dashboard, once the order has been placed, you can view the order tab, and this is the order that I have placed now from this user sheena@gmail.com. I have placed order from Nick Bakers, and this is the details. You will click on the confirm. The order will be confirmed, as well as you can update the status of the order. As here I am updating it as on the way, so same status will be shown in the customer app. Customer can track it in the real time. Admin can assign the agent as well from this tab. Here, as admin has assigned the agent successfully, delivery agent can view it under its app. This is the home screen of the delivery agent app. Here delivery agent can view the entire details of the order to be delivered. This is the customer name, address where the order needs to be delivered, the payment method and the amount to be collected. When agent update the status as near you, same status will be updated at the customer end. Here you can view the same status is updated in the customer app, so real-time status can be updated and customer can view the same status. Customer can also view the details of the delivery boy and the reviews of this delivery boy. When agent will reach, he can update the status as delivered and customer will be notified that the order has been delivered. So this was the demo of our Royal Food ordering system. In the next video, we have explained the advanced features of our admin dashboard, which will help you to streamline your food business operations and boost profits. Thank you.